welcome to my channel Cryptoland. I'll be sharing different kind of crypto projects here like NFT, DeFi, P2E and so on. So we can make some money together. Let's move to our today's topic. But before this, kindly subscribe these channels and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss more videos. Guys, so today this video we are going to talk about Cookie Coin. So this is a new platform. We can see that we are to the website of Cookie Coin here. So this is a play to earn platform. You can simply play the game of Cookie and earn, and you can hold their token until they pre-sale and you can get great profit. So the first thing you can see on the website is about Cookie Coin. So the Cookie Coin is a meme coin which is loved by everyone, and the Cookie Coin CKC guarantees no value, only unlimited fun. So we can see that the token symbol is CKC. Let me tell you that they are going to list their token on Smithy tool. So this is the official Smithy tool page of Cookie Coin. So we can see that the public sale starting in 13 hours and 4 minutes. So this is the official countdown of Smithy tools on website. So if you can simply purchase the Cookie Coin on Smithy tools, you need to enter your Connect wallet. If you have a Phantom wallet or Solfair wallet, you can simply connect your wallet, and if you don't have wallet, you can select the provider as a create one, and then you have to purchase this token. And here we can see that the Smithy tools and the token is but based on Solana network. And here we can see some project information, tokenomics, roadmap and an FA on Smithy tools as well. And the next thing we are going to check some or more details like tokenomics of this token. So the total supply is mentioned here, which is 195312500 CKC, and here we can see this official contract address of Smithy Cookie Coin on the website here. And then we are going to check the token allocations that the team and developer is for 15%, and they are going to rewards for initial and maintenance technology and marketing ecosystem expansion, which is 20%, and the reserve fund is 10%, and they have burned their token 25% for public sale. And here's some check the tokenomics here, so you can see the CKC tokenomics on the website here. And then we can see the next NFT project of Cookie Coin on the website here. So here we have the NFT provider here. So the Cookie Coin CKC introduces exclusive NFT collections that unlock the special perks, rewards and access to the growing Cookie Coin. So on a piece of the Cookie Coin world today. So here we can see that we have some more details like roadmap, what have they planned for their future, what is the future planning of Cookie Coin. So they have the roadmap. So the first phase, they are going to launching their Cookie Coin. Next, they are going to expand the CKC community through social media channels like Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. And then they're going to launch CKC from airdrop, building community with mimetic power. So phase 2 have beginning marketing campaign, 10,000 plus holders, establishing partnership with Kohl's, charity, etc. and conducting contents with the Cookie Coin community. Phase 3 have initiating CKC listing on Dex Screener, marketing campaign across various platforms. And phase 4 have commercial partnership across the concerned industry, making CKC recognize the first community-driven meme coin for payment and achieving 10,000 holder milestone, launching NFT shopping mall V2E and listing CEC. So here we can see the roadmap of Cookie Coin on the website here, that what is the future planning of Cookie Coin, what they have planned for their future. So next we are going to check the next project, which is a basic project, which is community. So we can see that the community behind the Cookie Coin is very unbelievable. They are going to hard for the project of Cookie Coin. So to join the lively Cookie Coin community CKC, where ideas, fun and rewards flow. Together we are shaping the future of meme-based crypto innovation. So here we can see that we have the next project, which is W2E. So this is the next project of Cookie Coin on the website here. So Walk to Earn is a next project of Cookie Coin. They are going to play and earn with Cookie Coin's W2E games and turn your gaming skills into real rewards, while you can enjoy the fun and engaging ecosystem. So this is W2E Walk to Earn project of Cookie Coin. And they're going to hold the next project, which is shopping. So you can simply shopping from the Cookie Coin malls and you can get great shopping areas. And here we can see that use Cookie Coin to shop for exclusive products like digital assets and services. Redefine only shopping with cryptocurrency. You can shopping with cryptocurrency on this project. And here we can see we have already checked the roadmap of KukiCoin on the website here, so you can see the roadmap as well. So everything is mentioned here, so you can see this and you can add the project here. And here we can see that we have explored the KukiCoin here. Okay, so this was all about today. Once again, I remind you that they are going to list their token on Smithy Tools. You can simply purchase the token on Smithy Tools, join your connector wallet, and then you have to simply purchase this token. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. It's not my financial advice. Do your own research, take your time, check the project by yourself, and if you think that it will get great profit, you can join. I hope you like this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, press the notification. Thank you.